Hi, I am Dr. Julieta Peralta Aramulo, a hair transplant surgeon and dermatologist specializing in hair. For more than 15 years, I've been treating patients with different types of hair loss. And as a physician, I'm always in a continuous pursuit on researching advanced technology to treat hair loss. And this is where personalized medicine comes in. Personalized medicine, specifically genetics, is the future of medicine, where treatment is direct and precise, leaving no room for trial and error. The Trichotest is a pharmacogenomic test that personalizes alopecia treatment to help physicians make better informed choices. Through extensive research, this innovative, world-class, and one-of-a-kind genetic test was developed to help look at the root cause of alopecia. One patient, one treatment, based on DNA. The future is personalized medicine.